AI is transforming local business growth in 2025. Is your business keeping up? At Local Management, we use AI to help small businesses grow smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Here's how AI is reshaping marketing this year. No more guesswork. AI analyzes customer behavior, demographics, and real-time trends. Smarter Google and Facebook ads, optimized budgets, dynamic data-driven copy, ads that convert better and cost less. AI finds keyword gaps and search trends in your area. Location-optimized blogs, competitive SEO targeting content that ranks and sells. Get discovered by more local customers. Over 50% of local searches are now voice-based. Near Me optimization, smart speaker and mobile SEO, 24/7 AI chatbots to answer FAQs plus book leads. Even when you're closed, your website works for you. Real-time review monitoring, AI auto-request feedback from happy customers. More 5-star reviews, better online rankings, higher trust equals more clicks and calls. AI tracks when your audience is most likely to convert. From ad timing to seasonal trends, we guide your next move with confidence. Smarter strategy, better ROI. AI isn't replacing local marketing, it's supercharging it. Want to see how it works for your business? Book a free consultation at localmanagement.us. Let's grow smarter together.